Confidence in English isn't loud, it's stable. The most confident speaker in the room, it usually is not the loudest. They don't rush, they don't over-explain, they don't try to impress. They just sound stable, and that's what real confidence sounds like in English. Many English learners believe confidence means speaking loudly, speaking quickly, speaking without hesitation, but that's not confidence. That's pressure. In modern communication, confidence isn't about performance, it's about stability. In this video, you'll learn why does loud English often sound less confident, what stable English actually sounds like, and how to build real confidence in how you speak. Loud isn't confidence, it's often compensation. When people feel unsure, they often speak faster, speak louder, use more words than necessary. It feels like confidence, but it usually is the opposite. It's an attempt to cover uncertainty. True confidence doesn't need to push. It doesn't need to fill space. It doesn't need to prove anything. What stable English sounds like. Stable English has a very different feeling. It sounds calm, measured, intentional. There are pauses, there is space, there is clarity. Even simple sentences sound strong when they are delivered with control. For example, instead of rushing, I think maybe we could do this is a stable speaker says, let's do this. Short, clear, controlled. That's confidence. Stability builds trust. People don't trust loudness. They trust consistency. When your tone is stable, your message feels reliable. Your thinking feels organized. Your presence feels grounded. This is especially important in professional settings because people aren't listening for energy. They're listening for clarity and control. Why ESL learners confuse speed with confidence. Many learners think, if I speak quickly, I sound fluent, but speed creates more mistakes, more corrections, more confusion. And over time, it reduces confidence. Stability does the opposite. When you slow down, your pronunciation improves, your thinking becomes clearer, your message becomes stronger. Fluency is not speed. Fluency is control. Confidence is predictability. This is an important idea. Confidence isn't just about how you sound. It's about how predictable your communication is. Stable speakers don't jump between ideas. Don't change tone suddenly. Don't lose control mid-sentence. They stay steady. And that steadiness makes people feel comfortable listening to them. How to build stable confidence. You don't need new vocabulary. You need better control. Here are 3 simple practices. Number 1, slow your pace slightly, not dramatically, just enough to think clearly. 2, finish your sentence cleanly. Don't trail off. Don't restart. Complete your thought. 3. Pause before responding. Even 1 second creates control. These small changes create a completely different impression. Confidence feels quiet, not loud. This is where many people get it wrong. Confidence doesn't feel intense. It feels calm. It feels relaxed. It feels like I know what I'm saying. Even if your English is not perfect, that's modern confidence. Confidence in English isn't about sounding impressive. It's about sounding stable when your tone is calm, when your words are clear, when your message is controlled. People listen, and more importantly, they trust you. I'm Eric. Thanks for watching English for the Modern World.